Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. I'm excited to present the Insan Inland Resort and Transient House Management System, which I developed to streamline our operations. The key technical details are it's being built in C-Sharp Windows application for robust and high-performance desktop application capabilities. It was in the pattern of an MVC, which means Model for Manages Data and Business Logic. View handles the user interface. Controller processes user inputs and updates the model and view. I'm also using Entity Framework for utilizing patient data access, reducing code complexity by interacting with the database through .NET objects. The database that I use for this application is PostgreSQL, known for its reliability and scalability. Integrates seamlessly with Entity Framework for efficient data management. This technical foundation ensures that our system is efficient, user-friendly, and scalable for future growth. Thank you for your attention. Let's move on to a live demonstration. Now, I'd like you to introduce to the login screen of the applications. As you can see, there is a clear branding at the top of our systems and is prominently displayed. User-friendly design. The interface is straightforward with fields for user ID and passwords. And for the security, the passwords are must for privacy. An eye icon allow users to verify their password inputs. The visual cues are for icon for security to make the purpose clearer. Accessibility, the layout is intuitive and easy to navigate. There is a sign in and cancel buttons. How it works is the user authentication. Users enter their credentials and the system securely verifies them. Seamless access. After successful login, the system will grant the user um, access on the system. The login screen ensures security and ease of use, providing a smooth start to managing our transient house operation. Thank you, and let's move on to explore the main features of our system. Now, I will key in my user ID and password in the application. So, okay, sign in. I'm pleased to present the dashboard. It is designed to provide an at-a-glance overview of key operations of the applications. The key features are quick actions, add, add and export buttons, easily add new entries and export data for reporting. Filtering options. There are drop-down menus. Filter data by guest, reservation, and check-in categories. Search and clear buttons quickly filter the list of or clear search criteria. Daily statistics. Today's reservation, check-in, check-out. Total guests and amount. Get quick total guests and revenue. Occupancy and revenue statistics. It's presented by a graph to visualize occupancy and revenue statistics by month and year. There is also a room statistics pie charts to see the room statistics by availability, occupied, and not ready. This dashboard provides a comprehensive overview, making it easy to manage daily operations and track performance metrics efficiently. Thank you for your attention. The next button in the panel is the guest individual. Here we have guest management screen for individual guests in the application. So it shows you the guest list, displays a comprehensive list of individual guests, including guest ID, first name, last name, contact number, and address. Edit functionality. The edit columns allow quick access to modify guest information. Add guest form. Easily add new guests with the add guest form. Input fields for guests: ID, first name, last name, contact number, and address. Save button to store new guest information. This interface streamlines the process of managing guest information, making it easy to add, view, and edit guest details efficiently. So let's say, for example, John Steele. It was mistakenly spelled, so it should have E in the last name. Save. So here it was updated to John Steele. Here is the company management screen of the application. The key features are company list, displays a list of companies, including company ID, company name, and contact person. Edit functionality: the edit columns allow for quick modifications to company details. Add company form: easily add new companies with the add company form. Input fields for SIB company, for company ID, sorry, company name, and contact person. Save button to store new company information. This interface makes managing company information straightforward, ensuring easy addition, viewing, and editing of company details. The next is the room. So now we have two options: room resort and transient. So this is the room management screen for room resorts. The key features are the room list, displays a list of resort rooms, including room ID, feature name, R type, room rate, status, and remarks. Same way, the edit columns allow for quick modifications to room details. This interface simplifies room management, making it easy to add, view, and edit room details efficiently. So as you can see, all the rooms are being occupied by seeing the status occupied. So here it shows room ID, the unique identifier. AC means air condition. Uh, Room type is single. Hour type is 24 hours. And the rate is 800 Philippine peso. The next is reservation, and then uh, in the inland resort, then company. This is the reservation management screen for company reservations. The key features are reservation list, displays company reservations, including reservation ID, company name, package, check-in, out dates and times, payment and total amount, status and remarks. The same way, the edit functionality quick allow modification to reservation details. Additional columns are confirming and cancellation of reservations. Now, it can easily add new reservation with the add reservation form. The input fields are company name, reservation ID, package, payment amount, total amount, check-in, out date and times, status and remarks. This interface simplifies reservation management, making it easy to add, view, and edit reservations details efficiently. So here, you can enter company name, status is pending, reservation ID is RES 00001, package is exclusive, the total amount is 10,000, so payment amount is 10,000 as well. Then the check-in date is July 24, 2024. Let's say, for example, the check-in time is 2 p.m. So the checkout time is July 25, 2024. Checkout time is 2 p.m. Save. Reservation has been successfully saved. So here, as you can see, it was successfully saved. Now there is also an option of check-in. So check-in, let's say for example, if we check in transient individual, okay, here it shows you the guest name. Instead of company name, it will show you the guest name. This is for the individual check-in. So same way, click enter, John Steele, room number 7. The rate is 260. Payment amount is 260. The check-in time is July 24, 2024. Time is 3 p.m. So the checkout time is tomorrow's date, and then the checkout date is tomorrow's date. The checkout time is 3 a.m. Save. Transient has been successfully saved. Check-in, transient, individual. So it shows you John Steele, room 7, and these are the information. There is also a company settings wherein you can set up the company, which is the current company of the application. So here, name is Idsan Inland Resort and Transient House. The business nature is management system. Address is 408 Champaka Street, Mintal, Davao City. Contact person is Eddie Santander, and this is the contact number. And also in the setting, you can find the password reset. So if in case the user forgot his or her password, you can come here to reset his or her password and then click save. So, okay, in the searching, let's say for example, if we need to search this guy, John Steele, in the check-in transient individual. So what you can do is go here, check-in transient individual, and click for search for John. So filter list. So you can see here John Steele. That's it, and thank you for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.